Hello, my name is 𝕮𝖍𝖊𝖊𝖊 with 𝕮𝖊 Concepts Outdoor Adventures. I'm here on the BL line, Old Coal Line in Bulls Gap. I am here to video and to photograph a couple of bald eagles down this railroad. I'll have to go down through there for about another half mile and then veer off to the tracks to the right hand side and get up into the woods and get my equipment set up. Take pictures of these magnificent birds. But hopefully I'll be able to get some good video and get some good pictures of these magnificent birds. It's right now cloudy and it's sprinkling somewhat, so that could be to my advantage of going through the woods and being able to stay quiet. Sometimes the rain helps with that, and I would think that maybe the eagles think that it would be less likely any predators be out in the rain. But you know, I'm not an eagle, so I don't know this. It's just an opinion. Right there goes a couple of deer across the railroad. They were grazing to the right hand side. There's all kinds of wildlife on this railroad. I came down this railroad and walked upon turkeys in a flock on this railroad, and they would be the gobblers would be strutting for the hens, and they would be somewhere around the neighborhood of 18 to 21 of them. Quite a large flock of birds. But anyway, I wanted to touch base with everyone. I'm here now. Going to try to make an attempt to get some great pictures of these eagles, and also try to video some with either my camera or my cell phone. I've got my camera in my backpack packed away. I've also brought a poncho. Right there goes some more deer. There's three going across right there. They're probably about 75 yards from me. But the wildlife here, they're not used to seeing people on this railroad. This railroad's not even had a train on it in 4 years. And this railroad here was the railroad that stretched from Bulls Gap all the way to White Pine at Leadville, carrying coal. There goes another deer. But anyway, there's nothing been on this railroad since, and by the looks of the trash, there's not been very many people on the tracks also. It's a little plated red-head woodpecker. Up there somewhere. Now over here to my left is a natural spring. It goes for about 100 yards, anywhere from 3 to 4 foot deep in areas. I'm 𝕮𝖊𝖊𝖊𝖕𝖊 with Cable Concepts Outdoor Adventures. I am here videoing one of the bald eagles in Bulls Gap. It's just to the left of the silo. It's perched out on the end of the limb at the top. Got several good pictures. It's raining right now. Beautiful out here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my camera equipment together. Got several miles to hike back home. Got a poncho. I'm gonna try to stay dry as possible. Anyway, I wanted to share this moment with you all. May God bless. Bye-bye now. I've come out here to video these bald eagles. Just over there left of the silo. It's raining. Still a beautiful day. Hello, my name is 𝕮𝖊𝖊𝖊𝖕𝖊𝖊𝖕𝖊 with Cable Concepts Outdoor Adventures. I'm here on the BL line in Bulls Gap. I've got some good videos of a couple of bald eagles that are just off in the field to the right hand side of these tracks. I want to go down through here. I have to excuse my shakiness. It's raining right now, and it's right through there, right through. If you look, there's a silo there in the middle of the video, and just to the left, the bald eagle's perched out on the limb. Now he may fly off, come toward me in response of me being out here near his nest. And here he comes. I have been seen. But there he is. You can see him flying. He's not flying this way, he's just kind of circling the nest. I don't know if I've been spotted or not. It's just landed up in the nest. Even though it's rainy, it's still a beautiful day. Just the sound of the rain is soothing to my ears. Something about the rain. If there's some geese, they're out in the field. But I'm going to head on down the tracks, maybe get back home before I get too wet. I'm 𝕮𝖊𝖑𝖊𝖊𝖑𝖆𝖊 with 𝕮𝖊𝖊 Concepts Outdoor Adventures. May God bless your adventures. And remember, always stay safe. Bye-bye now.